Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have global admin or exchange admin privileges. This grants access to calendar sharing controls. Once signed into admin, Microsoft.com, go directly to admin centers and choose Exchange. That places you where sharing policies live. Make sure to use a secure admin account and, if possible, enable multi-factor authentication before continuing. Now that you're in Exchange Admin Center, locate the organization sharing or calendar sharing sections so you can begin editing policies for mailboxes and domains. You'll now edit or create a sharing policy. Click Organization Sharing or Calendar Publishing, then decide whether to modify default or add a custom policy for specific recipients. Pick the level of detail to share, free/busy only, limited details, or full details, and select timeframe and permissions. Make sure to set different rules for internal domains, federated partners, and anonymous users so expectations match privacy requirements. Once defined, assign the policy to users or address lists and save your changes. Finish by saving the policy and noting that replication can take time, usually minutes, but sometimes up to 24 hours. Once done, test from a user mailbox by sharing a calendar and verifying the expected view. This confirms settings applied. If you need granular fixes, use Exchange Online PowerShell CMDlets like Get Mailbox Calendar Folder and Set Mailbox Folder Permission to adjust permissions directly. If sharing still fails, make sure roles, licensing, and federation settings are correct. That single misconfiguration often causes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.